So this is Colin Piper, Director of Tourism for Discover Dominica Authority. Here to give you some tips and tricks as we speak to how to access Dominica and some new and different things that are coming about. So when planning a trip to Dominica, it's important to understand we don't at this point in time have any non-stop or direct flights from mainland USA or from Europe. But what we do have is a hub and spoke. So it's important to understand from your origin city how you can get to San Juan, Puerto Rico, St. Martin, Barbados, Antigua, Guadeloupe, Pointe-à-Pitre, and possibly even Fort-de-France in Martinique. And then onward from those hubs, look to airlines such as Liat, Winair, Inter-Caribbean, Seabourn Airlines, which operates new Silver Airways flights, and those now will bring you into Dominica. So it's a two-step process when you're speaking to your clients from mainland US, Canada, or even Europe. Look to go into the hub and then from the hub into Dominica. And typically you can find same-day access going into Dominica. And then it will be the reverse coming back out. So it's important to understand that. Now, as far as the supply side in Dominica, we've had a couple of recent announcements. In June of 2019, Jungle Bay reopened with 30 cottages, and eventually, once they've fulfilled their complete build, they'll be at 85 rooms. So that's going to be a nice size so that you can do group travel coming into Dominica as well. Just recently on November 2nd, the Cabritz Resort and Spa Kempinski, Dominica, which is the first branded 5-star resort, opened up. Eventually 151 rooms, so that's another larger property that's going to be available for your groups and also for your FIT. Of course, we've got Secret Bay on the luxury side as well. We are also looking forward to the reopening of Rosalie Bay Eco Resorts in February of 2020. And we're looking forward to a larger Fort Young hotel in October of 2020. But for right now, new into Dominica, Kempinski, and also Jungle Bay. So those are two things to remember when speaking to your clients about Dominica. And of course, Dominica is the gem of the Caribbean. It's the most trending destination in the Caribbean right now. And we owe it to properties like Jungle Bay and Kempinski. And we have another, I would say another 450 to 500 rooms on the cards to come on stream by the ending of 2021 into 2022. So stay tuned for new and different developments in Dominica that'll make it worth your while to have a conversation with your clients about.